Hello. So today I'm installing the console vault for my 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 that has the 40-20-40 bench seat. Only one option with this, and that's the one that has the key. I would have preferred that had the number lock, but it's pretty tight in there. Not a lot of clearance, so I think this is the only option, is the recessed key. Pretty large key, but it's going to be a little bit of a change from the last one, but it seems like we'll get the job done. One interesting thing, it's basically held together by 4 self-tapping screws, and there's 4 holes in each side. And believe it or not, these are actually threaded for these, so I guess we'll see how that goes. The instructions say just to use a ratchet and gently torque them. So I don't know if this is going to screw into anything or just keep it nice and snug. Could be going into plastic for all I know, which is probably what it's going to be. But let's jump into the actual compartment and see what we can find. So we've landed inside. Here's underneath the center console. It's the same shape, obviously. I'll take that out. Just plastic, so it looks like it's going to be held in with plastic, and I'm guessing that it's going to be nice and flush so that you can't pick at it and pop it out. 4 self-tapping screws, 11mm with the stubby. Let's see how it fits. She looks pretty nice. There's a little hole there. Hopefully that's not enough to pry up on, but that does fit very nice and flush. So let's pop it open, get the hardware in, and give it a test. So just for fun, I did put this back in and put the vault on top of it, and it actually stuck up quite a bit. So this must be completely flush with the bottom. I like it to be kind of recessed because it's a little harder to get in. It actually stuck up kind of more than I expected just with this. I don't know, it's not that thick. So I've got the hardware threaded in, and let's, I don't know, we're going to be going into plastic, so let's see how it. There it is. I didn't hear any crunching or cracking. Some resistance when you're going in. And then once you get through it, easy peasy. And you can definitely feel it bind up on the vault, so you know that you're using the last of the threads on there. Well, let's get these last 2 in and we'll check it out. Well, here's where we're at. It's in there. Again, it's sunk into the plastic. That closes down real nice, and I guess it's surely better than what it could be, that's for sure. Especially if you close this and you end up locking it, it'll kind of be double protection. So there you have it. Definitely feels nice and heavy. The finish is good. Definitely plenty of space. It takes up the whole thing once you get down and dirty in there. Goes nice and deep too. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I paid, what did I pay? It was normally $300, and I got some Black Friday special 20% off. So $240 when it was all said and done. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.